Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today, September 25th, 2024, we're taking a deep dive into the NZDUSD currency pair, analyzing both the recent news and the chart data to see what insights we can glean. Let's start with the news. A quick Google search reveals that the NZD has been strengthening against the USD in recent days, fueled by strong gains in the NZ Services PMI, which indicates positive economic activity in the New Zealand service sector. The US dollar, on the other hand, has been under pressure due to expectations of interest rate cuts by the Federal Reserve. However, there's also a conflicting narrative. Several analysts predict a weakening NZD against the USD in the short to long term, citing factors like the RBNZ's potential interest rate cuts and a looming recession in the New Zealand economy. Now, let's turn our attention to the charts. First, we'll examine the one-day chart, which gives us a broader perspective on the NZDUSD price movement. Looking at the daily candles, we can see a clear bullish trend over the past few months, with higher highs and higher lows. This trend is punctuated by a significant spike in price on September 11th, 2024, which may have been influenced by the positive NZ Services PMI data. However, the recent candles indicate a potential pullback, with the price retracing from its recent highs. This pullback may be due to the conflicting analyst predictions and potential economic headwinds. The one-day chart also reveals key support and resistance levels. A strong support level can be observed around the 0.6150 mark, where the price has bounced off several times in the past. Similarly, resistance appears to be forming around the 0.6300 level. Zooming in on the one-hour chart gives us a more granular view of the recent price action. We can see a clear consolidation pattern forming in the past 24 hours, with the price oscillating between the 0.6250 and 0.6300 levels. This consolidation suggests indecision among traders, with both bullish and bearish forces at play. The recent one-hour candles show a slight bearish bias, with the price struggling to break above the 0.6275 level. This may be a sign that the recent bullish trend is losing momentum. However, it's important to note that the one-hour chart is very volatile, and the price could easily break out of the current consolidation range in either direction. Therefore, traders should proceed with caution and carefully manage their risk. It's also crucial to consider the overall market sentiment and economic news when making trading decisions. Now, let's move on to the 15-minute chart, which provides even more detail on the short-term price fluctuations. The 15-minute chart reveals a significant drop in price around 2100 hours Universal Time coordinated on September 22, 2024. This drop was likely triggered by the release of a negative economic indicator for New Zealand. After the initial drop, the price has shown a tendency to consolidate around the 0.6250 mark. The 15-minute chart also highlights the importance of watching for key price levels. The 0.6200 level appears to be acting as a strong support level, with the price bouncing off this level several times in the past. Conversely, resistance is forming around the 0.6275 level. Traders should pay close attention to these levels, as they could signal potential reversals in the short term. To summarize, the NZDUSD pair is currently experiencing a period of volatility and uncertainty. The one-day chart suggests a bullish trend, but recent candles indicate a potential pullback. The one-hour chart shows consolidation, with the price oscillating between the 0.6250 and 0.6300 levels. The 15-minute chart highlights a potential short-term bearish bias, with the price struggling to break above the 0.6275 level. Key support levels to watch are the 0.6150 and 0.6200 marks, while resistance is forming around the 0.6275 and 0.6300 levels. Traders should pay close attention to economic news releases and overall market sentiment, as these could significantly impact the NZDUSD price movement. With the current volatility and uncertainty, it's crucial to manage your risk carefully and proceed with caution. It's impossible to predict with certainty what will happen to the NZDUSD in the future, but it's important to be aware of the potential scenarios. If NZDUSD breaks above the 0.6300 level, it could signal a continuation of the bullish trend. On the other hand, if the price drops below the 0.6150 support level, it could indicate a reversal of the bullish trend. Ultimately, traders need to be flexible and adaptable, adjusting their strategies based on the changing market conditions and news events. Remember, trading carries inherent risk, and it's important to do your own research and develop a sound trading plan before entering any positions. We hope this in-depth analysis has given you valuable insights into the NZDUSD pair, helping you make more informed trading decisions. Thanks for watching Explain the Charts, and we'll see you in our next video.